what are the suggestions that you would like to give to the people, those who are beginner in their journey?
Second, see, like you have to be very consistent in terms of learning the language. Okay, means if you have that full expectation that you're going to learn the language in 3 months or 6 months, so it is not going to happen. Okay, at least requires 6 months to get a massive improvement. Okay, but you know most of the time we have like misconception. Okay, that we are going to learn the language as soon as possible. So we have to be very patient. We have to be realistic expectation when it's come to learning a language. Okay, it takes years and years to become fluent in language. So have patience, keep learning. Your small improvement going to work as a compound interest. Do you get angry while teaching to students sometimes?
No, I'm not getting angry at all. I'm responding the way they are just asking, and I have to take everything calmly because we are in the profession where we have to understand that thing because not all five fingers are the same.
Okay.
So we have to take the thing, and every student has like a different mindset, different thoughts, and different way of learning. So we have to upgrade that, and we have to teach in that manner.
Hello. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm extremely happy that you got a free time. I wanted to talk to you like last week, right? But at that time you got busy, right? Okay.
Hmm.
So first of all, I like to
Yeah,
really thank you so much for taking your time and talking to me. How are you doing today?
yeah. I'm good. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing
How's your
pretty
day
good.
been so far?
I'm doing pretty good. Okay. So would you like to tell me about your day? How is it going on?
It's pretty exhaustive and little tiring, but anyhow, it's good.
Pretty tired. What happened today? Like you're thinking like
Yeah,
day
well,
pretty bad,
I
pretty exhausted.
so I did supervision and I took practical. I just
Okay.
skipped that lecture
Okay.
because I had that
Yeah.
supervision in between that time. So that's the reason.
Yeah.
And that supervision is for 3 hours. So I felt a little bit exhausted and tired as we have to stay
Mhm.
standing position. So I felt like it's tiring.
Okay. Would you like to introduce yourself to my audience? Because my audience do not know about you. So if you walk me through introduction, I would really
As
appreciate that.
okay, okay, let me introduce myself as we have this second conversation because
Yeah.
I had earlier conversation with you and I talked with you already. So again, I'm introducing myself. I'm Nusaba Pathan, living in Maharashtra. I'm working as an assistant professor in pharmacy college.
And it is always good to me that finding a very empowering woman, okay? Like you're the girl who have completed your master, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So how is the weather in your place? Like it is literally raining here.
Here is raining. You can see here is raining.
Yeah, in my place also it's raining. Okay. So what is your favorite activities in rainy days? Like those interests
Um,
particularly come up, especially when it's raining.
to be honest, I don't like this season at all
Wow.
because I'm busy and I feel like some anger and some frustration because whenever we have to go outside, it feel
Mhm.
like clean and watery, not proper way to walk.
Okay.
So like because of that, we feel lazy and we feel like sleepy every time, and that's the reason I don't like
Okay.
this season.
Like everybody has their own preference when it's come to the
It's
month
my own
wedding season.
perspective. Maybe other will get anger or like
Okay. Right, right.
so like
To be honest with you, I like rainy season a lot. Because of I get ample amount of time to read books. Focusing on my study. Like listening and engaging myself in consuming the knowledge. Right. So I think it is the best time, especially in the monsoon season. I like to make a cup of tea and I like to drink. While reading books. So this is my favorite activity, especially in the evening time. Do you like a tea in the rainy season?
No, I don't like.
Oh my god! Like you're not
I like
habitual of
only
drinking
coffee.
tea. You're not habitual of drinking tea.
No.
Why? Big why there?
It's my childhood.
Okay.
I don't like milk and coffee. I like sorry, I don't like milk and tea. I like. Uh, I'm not regularly consuming coffee. Like it's occasionally. If I want to drink something for
Mhm.
refresh as a refreshment, then I will go for drinking coffee only,
Okay.
and that was occasional.
Okay. Get your point. Okay. So when was the last time you had a drink? Coffee.
Coffee when I went with the principal sir and my friend,
Okay.
means my colleague. Where at that time we had that coffee.
Okay. So why you didn't refuse your principal sir that you don't like a coffee? Why you didn't refuse them?
No, I love to drink coffee, but as I mentioned earlier, I'm occasionally drinking that coffee if I feel like yeah, I have to go for drinking that coffee. At that time only, I'm just consuming. Otherwise, I'm not preferring at all.
Okay. You're not preferring at all. Okay. Would you like
Only
to
coffee.
ask me any question?
So, if I want to ask you, um, what are the suggestions that you would like to give to the people, those who are beginner in their journey?
Chicken. See, like you have to be very consistent in terms of learning the language. Okay, means if you have that full expectation that you're going to learn the language in 3 months or 6 months, so it is not going to happen. Okay, at least requires 6 months to get a massive improvement. Okay, but you know most of the time we have like misconception. Okay, that we are going to learn the language as soon as possible. So we have to be very patient. We have to be realistic expectation when it's come to learning a language. Okay, it takes years and years to become fluent in language. So have patience, keep learning. Your small improvement going to work as a compound interest in the long run. So be patient, and this is how you're going to learn the language. Learn each and every day. Immerse yourself in the language. Okay, try to create an environment for you, so that will help you. Okay, let me ask you a few questions. Okay, so what is the one thing made you smile today?
Uh, uh, Come again.
What is one thing made you smile today? What is one thing that made you
Made
smile
me
today?
smile today. Like I'm taking this as appreciation. Like student asking me, like, "Ma'am, are you in supervision? Will you conducting that supervision? Are you doing that supervision?" I said, "No, no, no. Everyone, those who are like know me and they're just trying to talk with me. So they're asking like this. I'm taking this as a like appreciation and for like I got something
Okay,
from college and from my work life. Like why I'm saying so? Because they're feeling fear. Like because at that level we must have to do strictly supervision where students feel fear and they try to go for studying.
so for
And if they
student.
will not do study, they will feel like yeah, everything will happen. They will go for cheating and asking answer to the student. So where they asking for confirmation, is there any chance for doing cheating or not? So for that purpose, they're asking.
Okay,
And then I felt like laugh and I felt like yeah, somehow uh, thankfulness at that time. Like whatever I'm doing, it's good.
okay. Uh, Describe one fun incident with your student while learning or while teaching, because you're teaching this, right? You're working as an assistant professor, so you're teaching to your students. Okay, so what was the
Okay,
funniest moment happened?
I'm not considering myself as like I have that sense of humor, but I have 10 to 50% of that sense of humor kind of thing, where I can crack joke and I correlate with the real thing. Where I feel like if the student is getting things seriously, I have to maintain that and maintain and balance that situation and moment to dilute that stress and angry moment to in happiness or like less stressful. So at that time, I was using this thing to make fun and joke at that moment.
Hmm.
But I'm not fully like taking everything as a joke. But I have to be like little bit all rounder in the thing that and I'm to teach thing to the student. So
Okay.
told it, I just strictly took that student in the lecture in the practical.
Do you get angry sometimes while teaching to students?
You start.
Do you get angry while teaching to students sometimes?
No, I'm not getting angry at all. I'm responding the way they are just asking, and I have to take everything calmly because we are in the profession where we have to understand that thing because not all five fingers are the same.
Okay.
So we have to take the thing, and every student has like a different mindset, different thoughts, and different way of learning. So we have to upgrade that, and we have to teach in that manner. So as our sir is also teaching us, they are also training us. Like if the student are cream student, so take that they for at that level we need not to take everything very deeply. We have to explain thoroughly and with the example they understood easily. But those who are slow learners, those who didn't understand, and they took a lot of time to understand. For that student, we need to take slowly with teaching them at like fifth standard student or 12th standard student at that level, and we have to teach in that manner from the basic.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. So I like to know that on Saturday, Sunday, what sort of things you'll do?
Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, second or fourth Saturday, we had normally we have that holiday,
Okay.
and the rest we are working. And Sunday is our holiday where we have to clean our dusting, cleaning our dresses, clothes, or if there is any cleaning rooms and dust, we can consider in dusting everything that we are doing, and rest we are going uh, for sometimes it's happened like if someone is asking to go outside for roaming, we are going outside or for shopping or for eating something different, something new, or else we are just relaxing, resting. As I'm doing here, making videos, YouTube videos, and also there I'm using my time of Sunday and regular time as well. I'm
Hmm.
putting some time here, so there I'm investing my time.
What do you do in your spare time? Like what do you do in your free time? Spare time.
In my free time, I'm reading book, watching uh, YouTube videos
Okay.
related to business for mindset or to stick to the thing that I wanted. So when if we are not surrounded, so be in that thing that you will get motivation. So that's the reason I'm regularly or not regularly, occasionally, frequently I'm watching that related to mindset and for earning and going to how to build business and all. That kind of content I'm watching.
Okay. I'm going to ask you last question of this conversation. What was your dream when you were a child?
My teacher, class teacher, given us note of writing a note on teacher how to become what you will become. So where I written that I want to become a teacher. So there
Okay. Okay, ma'am. It has been wonderful conversation with you. You have done extremely good job while having conversation with me. I thoroughly enjoyed this conversation, and thank you so much for your precious time. Okay. Okay. So bye bye. Bye bye for now.
I